Exercise 1.1, first problem, third bit. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find HCF of 1651 and 2032. So our algorithm is A equal to BQ plus R, where Q is quotient and R is the remainder, and A and B are two positive integers. Here we'll take the bigger number 2032 as A and the smaller number as B. So applying Euclid's division algorithm, into 1, because if I take 2, that would be greater than 2032, and if I subtract 2032 minus 1651, I would get a remainder of 381. If I have to take the step further, so the bigger number 1651 will be A and this number will be B. So applying Euclid's division algorithm, I would get 1651 equal to 381 into, for the quotient, in order to roughly estimate, since 381 is close to 400, 400 into 4 is equal to 1600, and 1651 is close to 1600. I will try to multiply 381 into 4. So 4, 32, 4 3s are 12, 15. So I'm getting 1524, which is less than 1651. So the quotient is 4 plus the remainder. So if I subtract 1051 minus 1524, I would get a remainder of 127. Now taking the step further, now the bigger number 381 will be A and the smaller number 127 will be B. So 381, applying Euclid's division algorithm again, equal to 127 into, let me try 127 into 3, 21, 3 2s are 6, 8, 3 1s are, oh very good. So we would get 127 into 3 plus 0. So since a remainder is 0 here, the algorithm need not go any further. Therefore, HCF of our two numbers 1651 and 2032 is 127.
Take a screenshot of the solution or download the solution from the link in the description box below.